How to Grow Taller Beyond Your Genetic Height, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to today's video, where I'll share actionable tips to help you achieve a taller appearance and even make minor improvements to your actual height. Whether you've always dreamed of adding a few extra inches or simply want to maximize your natural height potential, there's plenty you can do. While your genetics largely determine your height, factors like posture, fitness, and lifestyle can play a significant role in how tall you appear. Stick around until the end to discover the ultimate height-enhancing secrets that worked for me. Understanding height potential, the science behind growth. First, let's talk science. For most people, height is primarily determined by genetics. Your bones grow longer during childhood and adolescence due to the activity of growth plates, which are areas of cartilage located near the ends of long bones. By the time you're around 18 to 20 years old, these plates harden, signaling the end of your growth spurt. Does this mean all hope is lost for adults? Not necessarily. While it's unlikely you'll add several inches to your height after the growth plates close, there are ways to enhance your posture and spinal health to optimize your height. Certain activities can decompress the spine, making you appear taller, even if the changes are minimal. Let's dive into the strategies that can help you make the most of your height potential. 1. Strengthen your core for better posture. A strong core is a cornerstone of good posture, which directly impacts how tall you look. Your core muscles, including those in your abdomen and along your spine, act as the foundation for your body's alignment. Weak core muscles can cause slouching and spinal compression, reducing your height over time. To strengthen your core, focus on exercises like plank holds. Engage your entire midsection by holding a plank for 30-60 seconds. Superman pose. Lie on your stomach, extend your arms and legs, and lift them off the ground. Crunches. Target your abdominal muscles with controlled crunch movements. Building a strong core will not only enhance your posture, but also prevent back pain and improve overall stability. 2. Practice posture awareness daily. Poor posture is one of the most common reasons people appear shorter than they are. Long hours spent hunched over desks or screens can lead to slouching, which compresses the spine and alters its natural curvature. Over time, these habits can contribute to a shorter appearance and even discomfort. To correct your posture, stand tall, keep your shoulders back, chest lifted, and chin parallel to the ground. Use ergonomic furniture. Adjust your chair and desk height to support proper alignment while working. Do posture-enhancing exercises. Try yoga or pilates to strengthen the muscles that support an upright posture. If needed, consider investing in a posture-correcting device to gently train your body to stay aligned. 3. Incorporate yoga into your routine. Yoga is one of the most effective ways to enhance your posture, flexibility, and overall body alignment, making you appear taller. It also strengthens your muscles and helps decompress your spine. The breathing techniques practiced in yoga improve body awareness, contributing to better posture and an elongated appearance. Some beginner-friendly yoga poses to try include mountain pose. Stand tall with your arms by your sides and your body fully extended. Tree pose. Stand on one leg while placing the sole of the other foot on your inner thigh. Extend your arms overhead for balance. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, place your palms under your shoulders, and lift your upper body while keeping your hips grounded. You can practice yoga at home or in a group setting for added motivation. The key is consistency. 4. Stay active with height-friendly exercises. Exercise plays a vital role in maintaining bone health and muscle strength. While it won't dramatically increase your height, certain activities can help decompress the spine and promote a taller posture. High-impact exercises like running and jumping stimulate bone remodeling, which helps maintain bone density. Activities to try: basketball or volleyball. These sports involve frequent jumping, which stretches your spine. Swimming. The horizontal position in swimming reduces spinal compression while building overall strength. Stretching routines. Daily stretches can lengthen your spine and improve flexibility. Engaging in regular physical activity also reduces the risk of conditions like osteoporosis, which can lead to height loss as you age. 5. Optimize your sleep habits. Believe it or not, your sleeping posture can influence your height. When you sleep, your spine decompresses after a day of bearing weight, allowing your body to recover. Poor sleeping positions, however, can undo this natural stretching. Tips for height-friendly sleep. Sleep flat on your back. This position helps maintain spinal alignment. Use a supportive mattress. A medium-firm mattress provides the right balance of support and comfort. Avoid high pillows. High pillows can strain your neck and upper spine, leading to poor posture. Aim for 7–9 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your body has ample time to rest and repair. 6. Fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods. Nutrition is essential for supporting bone health and overall growth. Even as an adult, eating the right foods can prevent bone loss and promote better posture. Key nutrients to focus on include calcium, found in dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods. Calcium strengthens your bones. Vitamin D. This vitamin enhances calcium absorption. Get it from sunlight exposure, fatty fish, and fortified foods. Protein. Essential for muscle repair and growth. Protein can be found in lean meats, eggs, and legumes. Staying hydrated is also crucial, as dehydration can affect the elasticity of your spinal discs. 7. Daily stretching routines to decompress the spine. Stretching is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to appear taller. By elongating your spine and improving flexibility, stretching can enhance your posture and help you regain height lost due to daily compression. Here are 2 effective stretches to try. Hip bridge stretch. 1. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides. 2. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor. 3. Push through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling. 4. Hold for 10 seconds before lowering back down. Cobra stretch. 1. Lie on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders. 2. Press into your palms to lift your chest and upper body off the floor. 3. Keep your hips grounded and hold for 10–15 seconds. Perform these stretches daily to keep your spine aligned and reduce the effects of gravity on your height. 8. Focus on a well-balanced physique. Height alone doesn't define how you look. Building a well-proportioned physique can enhance your overall appearance and confidence. Engage in strength training to tone your muscles and maintain a healthy weight. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and pull-ups can also help improve your posture and core strength, further contributing to a taller appearance. The secret to maximizing your height. Here's my personal favorite tip: consistency. Whether it's maintaining good posture, practicing yoga, or doing daily stretches, the key to success is sticking with your routine. Over time, these habits will add up, helping you achieve noticeable improvements in your height and overall presence. Final thoughts. Growing taller as an adult may seem challenging, but with the right approach, it's possible to maximize your height potential and achieve a taller appearance. Focus on maintaining good posture, staying active, eating nutrient-rich foods, and practicing stretches and yoga regularly. Now that you've learned these tips, it's time to put them into action. Remember, confidence and self-care go hand in hand. Start today and watch as your posture, height, and overall outlook improve. For more tips on health and wellness, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to check out my next video for more life-changing advice. Thanks for watching.